Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We have a lot to talk about today with another hand-selected Land Rover Discovery. We have a lot to talk about as this is a 2019 69 plate Land Rover Discovery HSE Luxury. So we're right at the very top of the trim level and specification. I'll be shortly showing you around and demonstrating some of the key features and controls on this vehicle. Now I have to start with a specialist metallic Carpathian grey paintwork. Really is stunning. This vehicle has come from an extremely good home, has been very well looked after and really does have everything you could wish for. So to contrast that specialist paintwork, we have the likes of the black badging and grille, dormitor casings, window trims and privacy glass, as well as the roof rails and a sliding panoramic glass sunroof. The vehicle has the 22-inch diamond turned alloy wheels. Really does make it sit very well on the road and is an absolute pleasure to have in stock here at AMT Specialists in Leeds. So without any further ado, I'll take you to the inside of the vehicle and show you around some more of the features. So it's a very nice place to be in the cockpit here. As previously mentioned, we have that beautiful double panoramic roof, of which the front half will slide all the way back. The ebony with pimento stitching, leather upholstery. And as we just come back here to the door card, the likes of the 3-stage electric memory driver's seat and upgraded Meridian surround sound system. Now I'll jump in, we have more to talk about. This particular vehicle has only covered 43,821 miles. We do have the heads-up display unit just at the front here, so that will project the speedo onto the windscreen. Tap to continue, we have the most up-to-date Land Rover system, including the navigation, media, Bluetooth, but all the other features including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course we do also have, with this being the HSE Luxury, the rear seat entertainment. Not only do we have the reversing camera, but we can also opt for the 360-degree view. And in the inside of the center console, we do have that center cooler compartment. Into the rear, you can see this vehicle's been very well looked after. It still has the film on from new for those rear entertainment screens, as well as the climate control for the second row of passengers, included heated seats also. Really is a fine example. Certainly looks the part. It is extremely capable, with it being the Land Rover product. It looks absolutely superb in the sunshine there. So thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope that you found that useful. For any further information, please contact our award-winning sales team. We'll be happy to discuss your requirements. We can deal with finance, paint protection and any extended warranty, all under one roof. So thank you once again, and another warm welcome from AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds.